प्रीति कहाँ है तू? You're gonna miss the flight.
I'm boarding.
Like a superstar, moving like a superstar, like a superstar, like a superstar.
हेलो प्रीति, आज तो क्यारा लग रही है. कहाँ से लिया?
Obviously from Myntra. Crochet tops, wide leg trousers, vacation quads. Get first access to the latest trends from the new spring collection. Only on Myntra.
Questions raised by the Khasi Students Union, KSU, members regarding the arrest of their colleagues, SP Rituraj Ravi stated that the arrests in connection with the Ichamati twin murder case were made based on strong leads and evidence. Since the day of the incident, our investigation has been ongoing, focusing on leads, witnesses, and collected evidence. We have made progress based on the evidence and scientific data gathered, as well as the relevant facts of the case, said East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police, Rituraj Ravi.
Date of incident, the moment of incident, we have been investigating this case as per the provisions of law. And we have progressed in that as per the evidences that we have collected, as per the witness accounts, and as per all the scientific data that we have collected from PO and all other relevant facts of the matter. Now, the investigation, the leads that we received, and based on very strong evidences, only those arrests were made.
So, from what I understand, they had a problem with the midnight arrests, and they have been informing the government time and again, and the police also not to do so.
We always endeavor that to make arrests during daytime and during daylight hours only. However, it's during when we pursue the leads, when we pursue the evidences, the timings may not always be as per the conveniences. So these things do happen sometimes. Thank you. Thank you.
So, in view of the crossing of the vehicles,
we are investigating.
No. I mean, how do you confirm that?
No, the details of the investigation I am not at liberty to divulge, but we are investigating the matter, and if anything comes up, we will share with you. Thank you. Thank you.